Hi, I'm going to explain the cluster picking in warehouse management. Just before showing this one, I'll inform this is the cluster picking in warehouse. It's look like a cluster. This one is a whole thing like this one. Cluster picking is nothing but we have to pick up the items from the same location for the multiple orders, for the multiple sales orders, outbound orders, everything we can pick up the items is from same location. These are called as a totes. See on the top this green baskets like this one, it's called as a positions also. Number one position, number two position, three position, four position, number one tote, two tote, three tote, four tote. This cluster picking, because we can save the time. This one, once we pick up all items in the same location for the same orders, we can save the time and we can save the travel time. Warehouse management, just collapse, setup, mobile device, cluster profiles, new. If this cluster profile option is not available in your system, just you can enable from the future management, system administration, future management. Okay, create cluster. Calling as a tote. So I am configuring now for two totes. If we taking only two totes, generate cluster ID, activate positions. The totes call as a positions also. This one same we can call as tote and position both, either anyone, because I'm creating for the two positions now. The position name, the two totes we can take as like a alphabetic wise or numeric wise, either anyone we can select. Just I'll select the alpha, because if it's alphabetic wise, its names comes as a AB. If it's a numeric like a 1 to 2, break cluster 80. This is like an advanced one. If is one cluster is full everything, we can go for the other cluster. This is very advanced one. I'm not going to show this one now. Sort verification type. This sort verification type, if you see, if it's a toads, there is like a here like a barcodes, you can scan this one, the location, everything. This you can license plate, it's a barcode, you can scan this one for the toads. This also I'm not going to explaining now, just I'll put none. The position scan, see here, license plate scan and position scan the toads. Cluster sorting, we have to pick up the items from like a item wise or location wise. I think item wise it will take a lot of time. If you go warehouse, one item is in the front side, one item is in the back side. It will take a lot of time if you go item wise. We can go for the location wise. If it's location wise, first you can pick up from the front side and again back, just depend on the location. Just I'll select the location. Location I think is WMS location. Yeah, save it. Just sorry, I'll go. I'll create for the three total also. This is for the three positions. Generate cluster ID, activate position, three positions, three totes, alpha, same location, WMS, save, just five totes. Generate cluster ID, activate positions. Just I'm showing example. This one five totes, three totes, two totes. It's depend on the sales orders. If you take like a two sales orders, you can just go for the two totes. If you three sales orders, three totes. Five sales orders, five totes. You can select. Save. Then for the cluster picking, for cluster picking, no need generate cluster ID. Activate positions. Just show number of positions. Three I'll take. I'll create the three sales orders and I'll show this one how it's going to be work. Alpha work class new same location. WMS location. Save. Once creation done, then go for the mobile device menu items. Alt F1 mobile device menu items. New. Create cluster. Mode work, because we are taking the existing work only. Use existing work. Here same we can take cluster picking. Generate license pledge. Allows splitting of work. Override target. This one not keep work locked by user. Cluster profile ID. Just I'm going to create for the three sales orders. So just I'll select only three sales orders. So for which orders we have, it should be work for sales orders. Save. Just cluster picking. Work. Existing work. Cluster picking. Generate license plate. Allow splitting of work. Keep work locked by user. Cluster picking. New. Work class sales order. We can do same for the transfer orders also, transfer receipt also, TO transfer orders. Save. It's okay. Just I'll select same thing for the TO receipt. TO receipt. So this is a setup done. Now we can create the sales orders. Alt F1, sales and marketing, all sales orders. Just before proceeding, just I'll check the items. Item stock, I'll check it. Product information, release products. Five products are there. There's advanced warehouse products only. Just I'm checking whether it's advanced warehouse or it's like a without advanced warehouse products. WMS 1 250. This one. This is also advanced warehouse product 1 and 2. This is 150 available. Okay. This is not the advanced warehouse. You can see here. This is the one I am checking. Storage dimension. This is advanced warehouse, and here this is not the advanced warehouse product. This also not advanced warehouse. This also advanced warehouse product. So 1, 2, and 5. Check the inventory of this one stock. There is no stock available. Just I'll adjust stock. Warehouse WMS 1. There is no location. Just I'll add a location. Location bulk. The first one. Quantity 200. I have to open the mobile device also. Meanwhile, just I'll open the mobile device. Yeah, so 200 quantity added now. Okay. So product 1, 2, and 5. The no quantity go for the sales orders. Create the sales orders. Sales and marketing. All sales orders. New. Just select the product. The 1, 2, and 5 5 items, right? Yeah, 1, 2, and 5. Just I'll take only quantity 1 to understand easily. Quantity 1. F5. Just unit price, I'll just put some price 10, 20. So only three items. I'm taking the first sales order, one quantity each. Um, in advance warehouse, before proceeding, we have to reserve the items, all items. Go header. Here the reservation is there. Manual, make it automatic. Just I will show before that one. It's okay. Just I will show later. Update reservation. So just you can cross check here also. The items has been reserved or not. Go for transitions. See, this is reserved physically. Reserved physically. Yeah. Then go for the everything reserved three items. Release to warehouse. So sales order is 41. The wave has been submitted to run in the batch. Has been added. Look at the batch is added here. Just show. I will disable the batch process, like a process, because it will take the time. Just go for the warehouse management process parameters, warehouse management parameters. Here, yeah, this is a process waves in a batch. Just I will disable this one. Disable batch wave processing. This may impact your wave processing if you usually partially processing as defined. Just save it, because for the next sales order, no need for like a batch. It will come. Just go for the other sales order. Just remember 41. This one, the batch job executed. This one successfully. This 42. Just same paracetamol. This is a second sales order, so just I'll make it quantity two. So one, two, and five items. Automatic. This one we can make it automatic also. Always, if you change the option in automatic in account receivable parameters, we no need to make always to change in each sales orders. Automatic, it will reserve everything for reservation. So it's reserved. Just go for the Release to warehouse now. Yeah, so now there is no batch, it's been done already, the work has been created. Then go for the other sales order. Just you can see the influx, all three influx, everything. So thought sales order. I'm entering the quantity three. I think I didn't enter the price for second sale order. It's okay. Just I am showing the concept only. No need to bother about the price and everything all. Just make it automatic. Update reservation. Release to warehouse. Work has been created. Here you can check work details. Warehouse, work details. If you want to check in the sales order. These work ID has been created and these locations. Whatever the items we entered on the sales order, just go back. So now open the mobile device. Just 1 minute. Just okay. Login. Login and password is incorrect. Sorry. This is a different legal entity. See here, this here we can change legal entity. Or what I am doing company is now AMP, A&M Pharmacy. Then go for this one, GOV, 1, 2, 3. Outbound. Actually, one thing I forgot this one. Just I would like to inform here. See, we created the mobile device menu items. Go for the warehouse management, mobile device menu items. Create cluster and cluster picking. We had to be assigned in the mobile device menu now. It's a outbound edit. Cluster picking, create cluster. Yeah. There's a reason in outbound nothing has been appeared here, cluster and everything. Just I'll go back and refresh. Yeah, see, now it has been appeared. Create cluster and cluster picking in mobile device. Then go for the create cluster. Assign work to the cluster id generated, the position A. So we given the totes as a alphabet wise. So it's coming like a position A is like a first tote A. Go for the work IDs, sales order. Just here I'll show. See the 41, 42, 43. These are the sales orders. We just now we have created. Go for the warehouse management, the work, all work. Yeah, this is the work IDs for this one 21, 31, 32 for this sales orders, respective sales orders 41, 42, and 43. That take the first 41 sales order work ID, position A, just enter the work ID, position B, second work ID. So this is assigning the first sales order for the position A, the first tote, second sales order for the position B, second tote, position B. It's like a we are creating C. See here, position C. This is a third sales order work ID. Click OK. So now picking this one. Picking, there is a item one paracetamol. The six pieces it's picking from the location. Do you know six pieces? The first sales order, one piece. Second sales order, two pieces, two items. Sorry. The third sales orders, three items. Total is six items. So it's picking at a time like a six pieces. It will it's showing later where we have to put like a positions. Okay. So after picking the six items, it's arranging position A, position A, see position A, one item, position B. Position A means like a first sales order we assigned already. Position B, two items. Position three, three items. According to the sales orders, it's like a everything picking the stack and it's arranging everything putting inside this one, all totes. Just go for OK. The next item, this is item two, proofing. It's also same, six items, one, two, three. It will going to be arranged same exactly. This one, go. The cluster picking same. Position A, one item. Position B, two items. Position C, three items. Just pick the third item. The sixth item, Roxonin tablets. The same, six pieces. Click OK. Same. Position A, one item. Position B, two item. Position C, three items. If you selecting like a five totes, like a five sales orders, you can make it five tot and it will come like a five. Total is a 18 quantity. Position A, position B, put everything is done. The cluster completed. Let's assign these. These the cluster picking in warehouse management. So sales orders I'll open. See here the work status is closed. So next then is the normal procedure. The this pick and pack everything, invoice, receiving everything is like a normal procedure. These cluster picking process in warehouse management. Thank you very much.